Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can unblock someone in Snapchat app. Don't forget, friends, please put your likes to this video, write comments, and also, friends, be sure to subscribe to the channel. So let us be friends with you to get down to our topic. Please open up the Snapchat app. Now, you'll need to on the top left side, click on your Bitmoji so you can go to your account. Then on the top right-hand side, click on the gear. And here look for a section called Blocked. And when you find such a section, you will need to go to your blocked contacts. As you can see, there are so many different options here, so it can be hard to find the right one, but surely you will find it. So again, you'll need to find the blocked contacts. Here they are. Next, you'll see a list of all your blocked contacts. How can you unblock them? Well, to do that, please click on the cross next to the person and confirm your action. In this way, it will be unblocked. Alternatively, tap and hold, or you may need to swipe. Everything, friends, depends on what kind of phone you have, what model, because it happens that on different models the process of unlocking a person is different in the Snapchat app itself. So if you don't have that cross, then you need to press and hold. After which you will need to find the unlock option. And now you will be able to easily find that person through the search engine, maybe text them as well. That's how easy and fast you can unblock someone on Snapchat. I really hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to put likes, write comments, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon, friends.